Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to do the analysis of Hindu newspaper for 21st April 2020. आप सभी का स्वागत है अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस में। आज हम 21st April 2020 के द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर का एनालिसिस करने जा रहे हैं। Here's a small announcement for all of you. The PDF of the classes are uploaded on our Telegram channel. Name of the channel is Simplifying UPSC with Ease and link is given below in the description box. नीचे description box में आप देखेंगे आपको link दिया हुआ है चैनल का, Telegram channel का. You can click on the link and you can join our Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. This is the name of the Telegram channel. Okay, do remember PDFs are uploaded on the channel. चैनल पे PDF अपलोड कर दिया जाता है तो आप वहां से PDFs को डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. You can download the PDFs. Okay, clear everyone? इतना clear हो गया? Now let's start decoding the newspaper. Newspaper को decode करते हैं. Here's a small announcement. If you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, you can get 10% discount. आपको easily 10% discount मिल सकता है आपके subscription पर by using my referral code Sharma20. Sharma20 referral code use करके आपको easily 10% का discount मिल सकता है. Also tonight at 9 PM I am going to conduct a very important class. Free class on Unacademy Plus. How do I start preparation for UPSC CSE? This class is going to be conducted tonight at 9 PM. आज रात को 9 बजे ये क्लास कंडक्ट करने जा रहे हैं और ये क्लास फ्री क्लास है. इट्स अ फ्री स्पेशल लाइव क्लास टू बी कंडक्टेड ऑन Unacademy Plus. Unacademy Plus पर ये फ्री लाइव स्पेशल क्लास कंडक्ट की जाएगी. द लिंक इज गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया हुआ है. यू कैन go to the description box and click on the link in order to enroll in the class. Okay, and tomorrow at 9 PM I am going to take another free special live class on Unacademy Plus on the topic GS paper 1 strategy and resource. और कल भी रात को 9 बजे मैं एक स्पेशल लाइव फ्री क्लास कंडक्ट करूंगी Unacademy Plus पर. लिंक इज गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स on the topic GS paper 1. Okay, clear? So let's start decoding the newspaper. But before that, here's your homework question for today. ये आपका आज का homework question है, mains practice question. Akbar was a great social reformer. He was a great social reformer, and these social reforms helped him to get the legitimacy from Indian masses. That is the appreciation and warm, you can say, relationship was formed between Akbar and Indian masses because of the social reforms only. This question has been taken from class 11th NCERT medieval Indian history. Now here in this question you have to explain in what way Akbar was a great social reformer and how these social reforms helped him. Now in this question you can talk about Akbar's views on secularism. Secularism पे जो अकबर के विचार हुआ करते थे, ओपिनियन हुआ करते थे, उसको आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो. Okay, his acceptance to different religions which can be shown, which can be seen through architecture, art and culture. Okay, answer this question. Consider the following statements. In the last 3 years, both repo and reverse repo rates have been reduced consistently. An increase in reverse repo rate means banks are discouraged to park their excess money with RBI. Lower repo rate would mean availability of cheaper loans to industries and consumers. Now tell me which statement is correct. कौन सा statement correct है ये आपको बताना है. Okay, read these 3 statements very clearly. This is from economics, the current affairs. From current affairs I have taken CF means current affairs. Now answer this question. You have 5 seconds time. 5 सेकंड का टाइम है आप लोगों के पास. Correct answer is B. That is only statement 3 is correct. Statement 3 correct है. Statement 1 wrong है. Statement 2 wrong है. RBI has cut reverse repo rate by 25 basis points from 4% to 3.75%, which has encouraged the banks to deploy surplus, that is the extra funds, and lend more, which is a move that will in turn result in cash in the hands of borrower. Okay, so it's a good move. The reverse repo rate is the rate. What is reverse repo rate? अब ये R क्या होता है? It's a rate at which RBI borrows from commercial banks. Always remember, reverse repo rate क्या होता है? वो rate जिस पे RBI borrow करता है बैंक से. Broadly speaking, a decrease in the reverse repo rate means banks are discouraged to park, that is invest their excess money with RBI. Okay. Repo rate, what is it? It is the rate at which RBI lends to commercial banks. वो rate जिस पे commercial banks RBI से लेती है पैसे. ठीक है, so correct statement is 3. Third is the correct statement. Answer this question. Liquidity coverage ratio is proportion of high liquid assets set aside by financial institution to survive an acute stress scenario and meet its short-term obligation. LCR is a requirement under the NCR is a requirement under Basel III norms. Third, recently RBI reduced LCR requirement for scheduled commercial banks. You have to identify the correct statement. आपको फिर से correct statement identify करनी है. Which is the correct statement? You have 5 seconds time. Correct answer is D. That is, all of the above statements are correct. तीनों statements correct हैं. So why we are studying LCR? Because the recent RBI announcements have provisions on the LCR also. अभी recently जो RBI ने announcements किए उसमें LCR का provision भी है. Okay, LCR what is it? It is the proportion of high liquid asset set aside to survive an acute stress scenario and meet its short term obligation. जब बिल्कुल सिचुएशन इकोनॉमी की डावाडोल होने लगती है तो जो आपका स्ट्रेस सिनेरियो, इकोनॉमिक स्ट्रेस चल रहा था, उस सिचुएशन में उस स्ट्रेस से निकलने के लिए हम एक बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में अपने लिक्विड एसेट्स को, जिनको बहुत जल्दी हम इनकैश कर सकते हैं, उन्हें साइड में रख देते हैं, सेफ गार्ड करके रख देते हैं, ताकि जो शॉर्ट टर्म हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हो वो टाइम टू टाइम ऐसे इकोनॉमिक स्ट्रेस के दौरान पूरी होती रहे. ओके. Now next important, this is an update. Speed of virus infection slows, doubling time rises in 18 states. 18 states में doubling time जो है वो increase हुआ है, और पर virus की जो infection की जो speed है वो slow down हो रही है. This is a good news. 18 states and union territories have shown improvement in containing the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Odisha, Kerala leading the pile. The Union Health Ministry has announced this. Okay, this is just an update over the condition which is prevalent in the country right now. Now the first important news is related to GS paper 3. Fear of the dead transmitting disease unfounded, says experts. First of all, let us have an insight over coronavirus. Coronavirus is a family of virus that can cause a range of illnesses in humans, including common cold and more severe forms like SARS and MERS, which are life-threatening. The virus is named after its shape, which takes the form of a crown with protrusions around it and hence is known as coronavirus. ठीक है, इस तरीके का ये शेप होता है इसका. ठीक है, वायरस का. तो ये क्राउन जैसा लग रहा है ना, this looks like a crown, so that is why it is known as coronavirus. Okay, now on April 13 and 19, residents took to the streets to oppose the burial of doctors who died of coronavirus in the city. But the fear that the disease could spread from dead was unfounded. डॉक्टर्स का कहना है कि जो मृत व्यक्ति हैं, जो कोरोना वायरस की वजह से जिनकी डेथ हुई है, उनसे मरने के बाद उनके ये डिजीज फैलना ये अभी तक साबित नहीं हुआ है. डॉक्टर सेज दैट यूजुअली बैक्टीरिया एंड वायरस डाई इफ द होस्ट बॉडी डाइज. मान लो किसी को ये वायरस हुआ है और उसकी मृत्यु हो गई है, तो उसकी मृत्यु के साथ साथ बैक्टीरिया भी मर जाता है, वायरस भी मर जाता है, क्योंकि अब फीड करने के लिए उसके पास कुछ नहीं है. बिकॉज द होस्ट बॉडी dies, that means the virus and bacteria can no longer feed, right? So far 17 persons have died due to coronavirus in the state. The burial of 2 doctors, an orthopedic surgeon from Nellore and a neurosurgeon who headed a private hospital in Chennai, witnessed opposition from residents living in the area where the burial grounds were located. So doctors have said that the citizens are unnecessarily worrying. There is no evidence or proof right now that when the host body dies, the bacteria or virus will spread. There is no such evidence. Again, Vijaykanth offers land on college premises for burials. After residents violently objected to the burial of body of neurosurgeon who had succumbed to COVID-19, DMDK founder Vijaykanth on Monday offered a piece of land on the premises of his under Azagar Engineering College. जब ये सीन हुआ, जब सिटीजन्स वायलेंटली प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे कि हम यहाँ पर नहीं, बरियल ग्राउंड में नहीं इनकी बॉडी को दफन होने देंगे, तो विजयकांत जी इस समय में सामने आए और उन्होंने कहा कि आप जो मेरा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज है उसकी जो जमीन है मैं वो आपको देता हूँ, आप वहां पर बरी कीजिए अगर ये लोग नहीं करने दे रहे हैं. राइट, क्लियर एवरीवन? Right to decent burial is a part of fundamental right. This is extremely important for prelims as well as for mains GS paper 2. ये prelims और GS paper 2 के लिए काफी important है. Right to decent burial ये हमारे fundamental right का ही, right to life का ही part है. It's a part पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट टू लाइफ. दिस हैज आल्सो बीन सेड बाय हाई कोर्ट. हाई कोर्ट ने यह फिलहाल कहा है. Observing that fundamental right to life guaranteed under Constitution includes right to decent burial or cremation. So the fundamental right to life guaranteed under Constitution includes right to decent burial or cremation. Underline this. जो आपकी fundamental right to life है उसमें और क्या include होता है, कौन से subsets हैं rights के, वो हैं right to decent burial or cremation. Okay, because this has been highlighted by High Court because the citizens are raising objections to the disposal of the bodies of the patients who have died due to COVID-19. The judges said that according to news reports, local residents had opposed burial of surgeon's body at Kilpock Cemetery. Consequently, the body was taken to burial ground at Belangadu in New Abadi Road, where again a mob attempted to prevent the burial. In this process, some public servants had sustained injuries when they attempted to disperse the mob to make them understand. So, it appears that as a consequence of above said alleged acts, a person who practiced a noble profession like a doctor and breathed his last has been deprived of his right to have a burial in a cemetery which has been marked for that purpose. So, this court, the judges of the court were very shocked, right? They were very, very sad and upset that people are not looking of the noble profession that he was working in, and now when he's dead because of the virus, they are not even allowing him a lawful, legal and rightful burial. The bench pointed out that the Code of Criminal Procedure contains enough provisions to deal with maintenance of public order, discouraging unlawful assemblies, dispersal of such assemblies using civil force, and immunity to police personnel involved in such action. तो अब कोर्ट ने हिंट दिया है, कोर्ट हैज हिंटेड दैट वी कैन राइट अवे पास द कोड ऑफ यूज द कोड ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर अगेंस्ट दीज एक्ट्स व्हिच हैव बीन परफॉर्म बाय द सिटीजंस. ओके, क्लियर एवरीवन? इतना क्लियर हो गया? नाउ द स्टेट इज ऑब्लाइज्ड इन लॉ. स्टेट ऑब्लाइज्ड होता है लॉफुली बोथ अंडर पावर्स एज अ वेलफेयर स्टेट एंड to protect the rights of such person in its extended meaning under Article 21 of Constitution of India. For what? For disposal of a dead body for a decent and dignified cremation or burial in accordance with the religious beliefs the man kept or professed. Clear everyone? रिलीजियसली अगर उस इंसान का वो किसी भी रिलीजन से बिलोंग करता है, उस रिलीजन के हिसाब से उस इंसान को राइट है कि उसके डिसेंट तरीके से डिग्निफाइड मैनर में उसका क्रीमेशन या बुरियल किया जाए. Fundamental right to life and personal liberty are guaranteed under Article 21. This is important for prelims. Write it down. Mark it or write it down. Fundamental right to life, personal liberty are guaranteed under which Article 21. It has been given an expanded meaning by judicial pronouncements also time and again. The right to life has been held to include right to live with human dignity. अब right to life में क्या क्या आता है? Right to life में आता है कि आप अपनी पूरी human dignity के साथ रह सकते हो, अपनी लाइफ जी सकते हो. By our tradition and culture, the same human dignity with which a living human being is expected to be treated should also be extended to a person who is dead. अगर जीते जी आप डिग्निटी के साथ रहने का राइट दिया गया है, तो मरने के बाद भी वो डिग्निटी के साथ मरने का राइट भी आपको दिया जाएगा. The same right to live, if there is a right to live with human dignity, then there is a right to die with human dignity also. And according to Article 1 of Universal Declaration of Human Rights, all persons are born free and equal in dignity and rights. These are the basic points which you should note down in your registers of GS paper 2. अपने GS paper 2 के register में लिख लो इन्हें. These are very important points for prelims. Also, in the PDF, you can click on this link in order to further study about it. अगर आपको further, if you have law optional, then you can further study about this topic through this link, which I have also given in the PDF. Next important news, China says Indian trade curbs are against WTO principles. Additional barriers violate principle of non-discrimination. So India's recent policy to curb opportunistic takeovers of domestic companies goes against the World Trade Organization principles. बेसिकली WTO ने ये कहा है कि इंडिया ने जो अभी भी ये स्टेप लिया है ना कि जो भी अपॉर्चुनिस्टिक टेक ओवर्स होंगे हमारी डोमेस्टिक कंपनी में, बाहर की कोई कंपनीज अगर किसी तरीके का इस अपॉर्चुनिटी का फायदा उठा के टेक ओवर करने की कोशिश करेंगी डोमेस्टिक कंपनीज को, उस पर हम रोक लगाएंगे. WTO के प्रिंसिपल्स के ये खिलाफ है. This is the first response from the Chinese side after Ministry of Commerce and Industry took a decision imposed restrictions saying companies from countries that share borders with India can invest only under the government route. Okay. Now here for prelims you should know the working of WTO. What is WTO? WTO is World Trade Organization, which is the only global international organization dealing with rules of trade between nations. Nations के बीच में जो trade होता है उसके rules कौन decide करता है? WTO decide करता है. At its heart are the WTO agreements negotiated and signed by bulk of world's trading nations and ratified by the participant members. It has 164 members, 23 observer governments. Always remember this, okay? Now solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding coronavirus. Coronavirus are a large family of single-stranded RNA virus that cause disease in animal and human. Till date, almost all types of coronavirus have infected humans. In animals, coronavirus can cause diarrhea in cows and pigs and upper respiratory tract disease in chickens. Which statement is correct? Tell me in the comment section. You have 5 seconds time. Correct answer is B. That is statement 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 2 is wrong. Statement 2 जो है वो आपका गलत है. Correct answer to this question is B. That is statement 1 and 3 are correct. Statement 2 is incorrect. Till date, almost all type of coronavirus have infected humans. This is wrong. Okay. While there are hundreds of coronavirus that cause disease in animals like pigs, camels, bats, cats, etc. Till date, 7 different types of coronaviruses have been identified that infect humans. सिर्फ 7 ही coronavirus के types पाए गए हैं जो humans को infect करें. Almost all वाली statement गलत होगी. This almost all types statement is wrong. Okay, clear? Now what are coronavirus? They are large family of single-stranded RNA virus. First statement is correct and third statement is also correct. In animals, coronavirus can cause diarrhea in cows and pigs and the upper respiratory tract disease in chickens as well. First coronavirus was isolated in 1937. Remember this for prelims. Okay, clear? Next question. Consider the following statements regarding UN Convention to Combat Desertification. Now you have 5 seconds time to answer this question. Correct answer to this question is C. That is statement 1 and 2 are correct. Statement 3 is wrong. Statement 3 आपकी गलत है. ठीक है? It is wrong. Clear everyone? Next question. Consider the following statements regarding emergency response support system. Which is the correct answer? Tell me in the comment section. फटाफट से comment section में बताओ correct answer क्या है? This question is on emergency response support system. Since 2012, this particular topic has been in news. Correct answer is D. That is all of the above statements are correct. सारी statements सही हैं. Alright. So this was today's The Hindu analysis. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope आपको अच्छा लगा. If you really enjoyed it, then do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And also today's like target we are keeping it at 60 likes. आज का like target हम रखते हैं 60 likes का. ठीक है? Clear? चलो. 60 likes target. Let's see if we can reach it. Thank you and have a lovely and beautiful day ahead.